Good afternoon, traders. John from Crypto Candlestick Trading. Just wanted to do a quick update on Bitcoin and the market where we're at right now. We've opened up yesterday. I'll just shrink this down just a fraction. And so we've opened up yesterday, traded up, traded down, and then we've come up and closed there. Now I've opened here, and today we've traded up and down a little bit, mostly up, and now we've just gone from green to red on the daily chart. This is reasonably important because if we have a look now at the 4-hour chart, we've come up and we've got good reversal here. So I was shorting the market around about this price here, not in Bitcoin, in other cryptos. And then we've come down, we've got an engulfing bouncing off the 9, and it looks like we're going to be closing or trading. We didn't even open and get a touch above the 50 on the 4-hour chart. So we just kind of went up to the 50 and now it's trading red, which is very negative. We do have a decline in selling volume though, so that's one thing to be aware of. 1 hour chart, if we look at the 1 hour chart, we've hit the 200, we've had a mediocre, that's not a reversal, it's not really a reversal. That engulfing there is something to be wary of, and it all depends on what happens here. Like we could go tumbling down quickly or go close above the 9 with an engulfing, which would interest me. And then we're going to the 10-minute chart. So this was 10 o'clock this morning where it opened, and then it traded up a little bit and then down. Then we're getting engulfing to the north, another engulfing to the north, and now it's hit the 50. And the 50 is trading down quite aggressively. It'll be interesting to see what we do here. But as soon as we previously hit these moving averages, we just couldn't get past it. And this one seems to be quite responsive to the 150. I've put the 150 moving average, simple moving average, on the 10-minute chart, and it seems to be quite obedient to the 150 for some reason. So anyway, this is bouncing at the 50 on the 10-minute chart, and if it struggles here, well, this is kind of a defining moment really, because it's either going to break above and then we start the uptrend and we start bouncing on the 50 on the daily chart and bouncing off there, which is it's definitely possible. And so because we've had this big decline and we've had a bit of a reversal, so I think it's quite an unusual reversal. And then this candle here was the big one, and we've gone up and now we've come down here to rest on the 50 and the 9. So there's quite a bit of support there. It'll be interesting to see what actually happens. That's why I'm having a very close look at Bitcoin to see what it's going to do. So anyway, I just want to do a quick video and mention that so that we can kind of watch it together if you want. This is called top-down analysis. So we've got daily chart, 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 10-minute chart. So we can kind of get a bird's eye view of it, but it's quite interesting to watch. Anyway, if this does collapse and start heading south, I'll be increasing my shorts. Okay, traders, if you have any questions, let me know. Happy to help. Talk soon. See you.